If you want to install Good Lock on the Samsung Galaxy A57, it is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is you need to go to the Galaxy Store. Of course, you will need to use a Samsung account in order to be able to access the Galaxy Store. Now in here, we're going to tap on the search option in the upper right corner. Then over here, we're going to use the search field at the bottom and we can type Good Lock. There we go. And we should be able to find the app pretty easily. You can immediately tap on this button with the arrow in order to download and install the app, or you can tap on the app itself, and then in here we can use the install button. It shouldn't take too long to install the app, although of course it depends on the internet speed. And once you have the app, of course, you can open it. There we go. Here we need to tap on agree and continue in order to be able to use the app. And now we can find all the different plugins that we can install on our Galaxy A57. And of course, you can tap on any of these plugins in order to find out what they do. You can use the download button in here. This is this arrow, or you can use the arrow here in this menu on the right side. And afterwards, you should be able to open the plugin in order to manage additional settings. Leave a like and subscribe.